In this video, we introduce the Bell Move Valet service, which is available to Bell residential service customers in Ontario and Quebec. Getting ready to move to a new home? We know you've got tons to do, but Bell can help make it a little easier with our Move Valet service. We have a team of experienced move specialists who will make it easy for you to transfer your Bell services to your new place. All you have to do is call our dedicated team of move experts at 1-866-866-2355. We will advise you on the services available at your new address and arrange for one of our highly trained technicians to be there on a day of your choosing to get you reconnected. We will also contact you a couple days before your planned move to go over the details of your transition and make sure your services and installation time are accurate. Then, a day before your appointment, we will send a notification reminding you of the appointment, and on moving day, you will be able to track your technician in real time as well as the progress and completion of the installation. After your move date, you will be contacted to make sure everything went according to your expectations. And when you receive your first bill, we will call you to review it and answer any questions you may have. To have your Bell services transferred to your new home by one of our Move Valet specialists, call us today at 1-866-866-2355.